Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we'll come back a little bit on that post about Microsoft that is now as removed from their list 8, 9, and 10 generation Intel CPUs. So a lot of people, of course, have mentioned, well, this is the recommendations for OEMs, which are the original equipment manufacturers. Yes, indeed, they are. But there's no reason to still remove 8, 9, 10 generation CPUs from a list, because there are still PCs made with those. Even though, yeah, it's older technology, it's still something weird that they've done there. Now, a lot of people are in a little panic mode because it's like, well, does that mean, that we're going to not have, updates in the future and so on? Personally, I don't think it will impact anybody that is right now using Windows 11 with those CPUs. I think 25H2 and forward will still install, and you'll be able to update. It's more, I think, a recommendation of saying, well, you'd be better off, dealing and making your PCs compatible with 11th generation or later, and go there. Partly, I think it's a push. Partly also in a direction that Microsoft just wants Windows to run on the latest, greatest hardware. So by removing a recommendation, by removing CPUs, they're telling companies, you shouldn't be making or selling PCs anymore with older CPUs. I've said it so many times. People that will come up to me in comments and say, my PC is only a year old and it's not compatible with Windows 11. And they're on Windows 10, and they're mad because they say, well, I paid $1,500 for a PC that can't update. Well, the problem is that you purchased a PC that has old technology, and that's the biggest problem right now with a lot of that is, your PC is 1 year that you purchased, but that seller, that guy that's, that company, that store that sold you this PC, probably shouldn't have still been selling these PCs for a simple reason that they sold you something with old technology. And there's a lot of that going on. If you look around and you look online, you can still buy PCs with Windows 10 that aren't compatible with Windows 11, which is unacceptable. It shouldn't be. This is where you need to be careful when you buy a new PC with hardware, as trying to find something that has at least, a good minimum requirement, a good minimum of hardware. And that, it's not always easy. It's often only geeks that start looking at that. So, it's more of a recommendation, I think, that just says to the manufacturers, try to make PCs with modern technology. Forget about the old ones. And I don't see that impacting, the future of Windows 11 for people that are on these older CPUs. It's just that Microsoft wants, once again, manufacturers to focus on something new or newer. But I'm pretty sure that your 8, 9, or 10th generation CPU will still be working on 25H2, 26H2, and moving forward. Once again, where, I think things might change as if at some point there's Windows 12. I wouldn't be surprised that that one will have new minimum requirements with NPUs. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.